चतुर्थः पाठः विध्यर्थमाला। सुभाषितानि संस्कृतभाषायाः वैशिष्ट्यपूर्णानि पद्यरत्नानि। सुभाषितानि अस्माकं मनः रञ्जयन्ति, अस्माकं ज्ञानं वर्धयन्ति। कथं व्यवहारः करणीयः, किं कर्तव्यं, किं च न करणीयम् इति सम्यक् बोधयन्ति। Introduction. We know that Subhashitas that are an integral part of Sanskrit literature convey a very deep meaning. They are entertaining as well as informative. Some Subhashitas guide us as to how we should behave, what we should do, and what are the things we should not do. As the name suggests, Vidhyarthmala is a collection of beautiful shlokas that tell us what we should do and what we should not do. The word Vidhyartha, that is Vidhi Artha, tells the necessity of an action. Sukharthi chet tyajed vidyam, vidyarthi chet tyajed sukham. Sukharthinah kuto vidya, kuto vidyarthinah sukham. अन्वयः सुखार्थी चेत विद्यां त्यजेत, विद्यार्थी चेत सुखं त्यजेत। सुखार्थिनः विद्या कुतः, विद्यार्थिनः सुखं कुतः। सुखार्थी, one who wishes happiness. Tyajet, should leave. Chet, if. Kutah, from where or how. Vidya, knowledge. Sukham, happiness. If a person desires comforts, he should give up knowledge. If a person desires knowledge, he should give up comforts. From where does the one yearning for comforts get knowledge? From where does the one desiring knowledge get comfort? दृष्टिपूतं न्यसेत् पादं, वस्त्रपूतं पिबेत् जलं, सत्यपूतां वदेत् वाणीं, मनःपूतं समाचरेत्। अन्वयः दृष्टिपूतं पादं न्यसेत्, वस्त्रपूतं जलं पिबेत्, सत्यपूतां वाणीं वदेत्, मनःपूतं समाचरेत्। Drushtiputam, after seeing or purified by sight. Nyaset, should place. Samacharet, should act. One should take a step after seeing. One should drink water purified using a cloth. One should speak words purified with truth, and one should act after thinking. धनमलब्धं काङ्क्षेत, लब्धं रक्षेत् प्रयत्नतः, रक्षितं वर्धयेत् सम्यक्, वृद्धं तीर्थेषु निक्षिपेत्। अन्वयः अलब्धं धनं काङ्क्षेत, लब्धं धनं प्रयत्नतः रक्षेत्, रक्षितं धनं सम्यक् वर्धयेत्, वृद्धं धनं तीर्थेषु निक्षिपेत्। काङ्क्षेत, should wish. रक्षेत, should protect. प्रयत्नतः, with efforts. वर्धयेत्, should enhance. सम्यक्, properly. One should wish for wealth which is not obtained. One should protect that which is obtained with efforts. That which is protected should be enhanced properly, and the wealth which is enhanced should be put into good use. That is, it should be given in charity. Akrodhena jayet krodham, asadhum sadhuna jayet, jayet kadaryan danena, जयेत् सत्येन चानृतम्। अन्वयः अक्रोधेन क्रोधं जयेत्, साधुना असाधुं जयेत्, दानेन कदर्यं जयेत्, सत्येन च अनृतं जयेत्. क्रोधम, anger, अक्रोधेन, with calmness, asadhum, to wicked, kadaryam, miserliness, anritam, falsehood. One should win over anger with calmness. One should win over the wicked with goodness. One should win over miserliness with charity. And one should win over falsehood with truth. दुःखे दुःखाधिकान् पश्येत्, सुखे पश्येत् सुखाधिकान्, आत्मानं शोकहर्षाभ्यां शत्रुभ्यामिव नार्पयेत्. अन्वयः दुःखे दुःखाधिकान् पश्येत्, सुखे सुखाधिकान् पश्येत्. मानवः शत्रुभ्याम् इव शोकहर्षाभ्याम् आत्मानं न अर्पयेत्. दुःखे, in sorrow, atmanam, oneself, sukhe, in happiness, shokaharshabhyam, to sorrow and happiness, na arpayet, should not surrender. One would see an abundance of sorrow when sad. One would see an abundance of happiness when happy. Man should not surrender himself to sorrow and happiness, which are like enemies. Pratyaham pratyaveksheta narashcharitamātmanah kinnu me pashubhistulyam kinnu satpurushairiti. Anvayah naraha atmanah charitam pratyaham pratyaveksheta किन्नु मे चरितं पशुभिः तुल्यं, किन्नु मे चरितं सत्पुरुषैः तुल्यम् इति. आत्मनः, of oneself, charitam, behavior, pratyaham, every day, pratyaveksheta, observe, tulyam, like. Man should observe his behavior daily and ask, did I behave like animals or did I behave like good people? Bakavachintayedarthan simhavaccha parakramet vrukavacchavalumpeta shashavaccha vinishpatet. Anvayah nrupaha बकवत अर्थान चिंतयेत, सिंहवच्च पराक्रमेत, वृकवत अवलुंपेत, शशवच्च विनिष्पतेत. बकवत like crane, सिंहवत like lion, वृकवत like wolf, शशवत like rabbit. अवलुंपेत should tear down. Vinishpatet should get out of. Chintayet should think. Parakramet should be brave. A king should think about the purpose like a crane. He should be brave like a lion. He should tear down the enemy like a wolf and should get out of the enemy's array like a rabbit.